So, I have a knife, and it has my real name on it, and I'm not going to show my real name. I will do a name reveal. And happy 20 subscribers. I have actually more. We almost have 25. Thank you, guys. I'm going to have to use my teeth for some of these, but don't worry. A lot of these knives are not even that sharp. So the first one, some of these, on one side is like tools, the other side is like the actual knives. This is a wine opener. I don't drink wine, but it's just there. Since this is a Swiss Army knife, screwdriver. Look, screwdriver. It's already been a minute. Okay, these three, those are just like little mini knives to cut through little ropes. I'm gonna have to use my teeth for this one. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna open the other ones first, I guess. Hey, this is the first saw. Right here. There's a bigger one. Where is it? I'm getting it. Okay. Let me put the other one down. This is the bigger saw, meant for cutting bigger things. Okay. So this is the sharpest knife. This is like a real knife, and do never play with those. I'm not playing with these. I'm gonna have to open all these back up again. Gotta be careful with these. Okay, so this is a can opener for you, those of you who don't know. This is a bottle. This is a can opener. And hold on, let me put the other ones down. This is a bottle opener right here. You can see. I have to bring up all the knives again because there's one more. Actually, there's two more. I forgot one on the other side. The saw blades are the easiest ones on all of this. I just thought of something funny in my head. It's right here. Bro, I can't get this out. Can't. Scissors. Don't know how to use. I didn't get to show you because when I tried to use them, they did not work. Okay, there's one more. One more and then the video's over. It's already been 5 minutes. Looks like a cool combo, the screwdriver and the thing. Where's the nail filer? It's in the middle of the mini blades. Gotta be kidding me. Never showed you the mini blades, I guess I will. I'm fanning tasking my little Salamancas. Okay, this is one of the mini knives. It's not really a knife, it's not that sharp. Still. Open! None of these things are opening. Oh. Okay, I can't even. Yeah, but the other one is a nail filer. I can't get it out. So, that is my Switch Army knife. And for the name reveal, I will be using this because it has my name on it. Okay, bye.